Well, hello guys, welcome back to the Shed of Hope. Well, we're in a different shed today and we're working on this here Iveco. I'll bring you around and let you have a look at some of what we found. It's not good. Anyhow, let me put my lamp on and you'll be able to see a little bit perhaps. Okay, so this is where we're at, and if I shine my light up under here, see those green cables? Well, there's one there that's definitely been eaten by ratty. Yes, we have a pet rat in this vehicle. I've also seen nastiness down here. I mean, yeah, see all that green nastiness there? Well, that can't be helping whatever that is. I have no idea what that is, but whatever. Anyhow, there's various things disconnected. I think that yellow line that's disconnected is something to do with the airbag, but presumably isn't connected up there. But so we put on a brand new ignition switch. That's all done. That didn't solve the problem. Surprise, surprise. But we're also into the depths of this side too, as you can see. And yeah, all this has got to come out to be able to access the wiring loom to inspect it, because she cranks, but none of the clocks light up and none of the electrical systems work apart from the horn now. So, but Rat has been on holiday in here for about a month now, so poor old truck has been somewhat abused anyway. I mean, you know, we're going to redo all those earth connections down there, for instance, whilst we're in here. We've already snapped one earth peg off, but, you know, it is what it is. But, yeah, she's been abused, as you can see by the dirt and everything else around the cabinage. And, yeah, that'll have to be all cleaned up. And so he's got lots of bits of plastics in the back now that can be washed and cleaned, and she can go back together nice. But we're winning anyway. I'm glad I found that, so that's proving my theory. So we'll keep digging, because I don't think it's just that one wire. I think we're looking at many. Anyhow, I'll bring you back when we find a bit more. But yeah, that's where we're at with this here Iveco. She's a 3 litre version, I believe, so plenty of poke in it. It actually, when it was driving, it drove really nice, but he put it in the shed and came to started to move it out, having been away. Oh, you can see nestage right down there, look. See that bit of, just on top of that, that's a bit of nest. We pulled out a big lump of nest from in there. But, you know, little old Ratty has definitely been busy. He's even made a bit of a nest on his corn. He's put things on his special flavoured corn that we fed him, you know. But, yeah, you can see he's been digging away there. He's living under the carpet, probably. But, yeah, anyhow. Well, it is what it is. Anyhow, guys, I will fetch you back on the next one.